Hello learners, you are listening to our Spark Insight learning series. Today, let's learn about a set of computer tools called Microsoft Office that helps us to study, work and create. Let's begin today's session. You all know a physical toolbox which has a hammer, nails, screwdrivers, etc. Similarly, Microsoft Office is a digital toolbox. It has many apps to do different computer tasks like typing, making charts, making calculations, presentations, sending emails, data management, etc. It is an essential software that you can install and use in your computers. Of course, it is the most common set of tools used globally in almost all offices, schools, and for personal tasks. In short, Microsoft Office is a primary software for your computer. There are many versions upgraded over the years. Latest one is Microsoft 365. In Microsoft Office, there are many apps like Microsoft Outlook, Teams, Access, Designer, Defender, and many more. Here we are going to see only the basic apps, that is MS Paint, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote. Why we have to learn this? Because it helps in your studies in making projects, notes, essays, etc. It is used in almost all the offices for work. It improves your computer skills and makes work faster and easier. It is very helpful for business in money management and data management. Let's see the overview of these basic apps one by one. First is MS Paint. It is an image editing tool and can also do basic drawings. Even hand sketch also possible. For this you have a digital pencil and eraser also. As you all know that there is a physical canvas for drawing. Similarly, Paint is your digital canvas where you can sketch and color whatever you imagine. So let me open this Paint. So this is the Paint app. This is a sample sheet, and you have a pencil here, you have an eraser here. You can fill colors with this and you can pick colors with this. You can add a text in this, and you have many brushes in this: calligraphy, airbrush, oil brush, crayon, marker, pencil, watercolor brush, everything. And you have many shapes to insert here and so many colors to decorate your sheet. And you can file open your external images here, and you can edit by cropping here, removing background here, and so many things. We can see in detail of this Paint in our upcoming videos. So now I am closing this. So next is MS Excel. It is useful to make spreadsheet and data analysis. Excel love numbers. It uses rows and columns to stay organized. You can track the data and numbers in a table. Example, monthly allowance, monitoring the budget, tracking finance, scores, or a chore chart. Excel is used for making tables of your marks or cricket scores, and also for doing calculations. Calculations means not only simple calculation like addition and subtraction. Many complex calculations can also be made by formulas in the Excel. In Excel, you can also create different types of graphs to project the data in a simple manner. Now, let me open this Excel sheet. And this is our Excel sheet. This is a sample sheet. And here, like this, you can make a tabulation, name, price, and even calculation. This is the total of these prices. If you change this price here, you can see the total also changed. So like that, calculations will be made. And graphs. I want a graph for this. So let me select this, insert, column chart. And you can also change the chart into graph, line graphs, and a pie chart you can make. So many you can make in Excel. We will see in our upcoming videos later. So next is MS Word. It is useful for word processing. If you want to write a story, a letter to a friend, or a school report, resume or biodata, this is your go-to tool. You can format your text and change how it looks. Example, changing font, colors, etc. In short, Word is used to type and decorate documents. So let me open this Word. So this is a small story I have written here, and this is the title. We can edit this title like bold, italic, underline, and increasing the font and making it center. And we can also make a bullet point like this. You can also format the color, background, everything. Like this, you can change the color, background you can change like this. So this is how we can format our document. We can see the complete guidance of Word in our upcoming videos later. So let me close this now. Going to the next slide. Next is PowerPoint. It is used as a presentation software. When you want to show your ideas to a group of people, you can use this presentation and project your ideas using slides. Slides can be in text form or picture form. You can also add animations and videos to make the projects exciting. In short, PowerPoint is used for creating slideshows, videos, animations, etc. So let me open this PowerPoint. So this is a sample sheet. You can insert a new sheet like this, and you can do anything you want as per your wish. Here this is a small story I have written with a title, and this is the sample text, and for showing the animation I have inserted a picture. So now let me see the slideshow. So this is a slideshow. So next slide is empty, and next is this one, and one by one in each click the story is coming. So next is sample text. I have given the transition for the sample text. It's like this. You can give as per your wish. And I have given the animation for this deer, which I uploaded from the internet. Like this. So like this, so many animations you can do. Even you can create this as a video and project to the people. Complete guidance of this PowerPoint will be in our upcoming videos in our channel. So now let me close this. And next slide is MS OneNote. It is a digital notebook. Have you ever imagined a notebook that never runs out of pages? That is OneNote. You can take a note in the form of text, handwritten, drawing, recording your voice, or saving pictures from the internet. In short, OneNote is a notebook inside the computer to keep the notes and ideas. So let me open this OneNote. So this is the sample page. So you can take the notes in the form of pictures and points, tables, handwrittens, formulas, links and attachments, audio, video, charts, etc. OneNote saves automatically. You don't want to save it. Then organizing. You can organize in this side personal, sample, class, works, everything. And in the top you can make a general, class, biology, history, maths. So you can share it to yourself or you can share it to others also. So you can easily search from this search bar. So this is how OneNote works, and we can see the detail in our upcoming video in our channel. So let me close this. When you see these basic icons on the desktop or laptop, try clicking it to open that. In the upcoming videos, one by one, let's see how to use these apps so that you can also practice yourself. Please do visit this channel for learning something exciting. Thank you.